Welcome to Hubei Enchang Foxgard factory, a professional smart lock manufacturer. Today, we are going to take you on a deep dive into the entire process of smart locks, from design to production. It all starts with research and development. Our teams of engineers is dedicated to innovating and developing the most advanced smart lock technology. Here, metal melted at high temperatures is injected into high precision molds to form the core components of the smart lock. The metal cools and curves quickly in the mold, forming a strong lock cylinder and housing. After cooling, the parts are finished and polished to ensure that every detail is flameless. All die-cast parts will be assembled here into complete smart locks. Each lock undergoes multiple functional tests to ensure its safety and reliability. Qualified products will be packaged carefully and prepared for shipment around the globe. Thank you for visiting our Foxgard factory. We will continue to be committed to the innovation and quality to provide you with the best smart lock products.